Major new developments in the case against the former Clark County, Indiana Sheriff Jamie Noel. A bombshell revealed today in what was supposed to be a regular court hearing. The former Clark County Sheriff is charged with 15 felonies for things like corrupt business practices and theft. Today, the special prosecutor said Noel's wife is likely to be the next one charged in this case. Reporter Travis Breeze and photojournalist Jessica Farley covered the development in the courtroom today.
The special prosecutor said today he was prepared to bring criminal charges against Misty Noel, Jamie Noel's wife. The judge even hinted that she might be arrested in the courtroom on Tuesday. That didn't happen, and they need to make sure they know how to bring those charges, but it led to a passionate response from the defense team that it was not the right way to bring it up.
I could arrest her myself, according to the statute.
Seated just one row behind her husband, lawyers discussed how and when Misty Noel will be brought into the case.
And I find it a tad bit disheartening that this is how the government's approach to today's proceeding was.
So far, the former sheriff has been accused of using taxpayer money to buy a plane, selling cars out of a volunteer firefighters association, and not declaring child support payments on his taxes. The state prosecutor didn't specify what kind of charges could be coming Misty's way.
The state is now prepared to move forward on criminal charges against certain defendants, primarily Misty Null.
Ric Hertel was looking for guidance on how to bring the charges because a special judge has been brought in for the Jamie Noel investigation with no mention of his wife. The judge was willing to have a hearing right then and there.
If you want to arrest her, she's sitting in Chair 2, front row.
Well, I gotta have probable cause before I can do that.
Defense attorney Larry Wilder objected to her being arrested when the jurisdiction and bond was not clear.
Just to punish them in advance seems a little bit like a strategy that is outside the bounds of all of the trial rules that have been invoked by the Supreme Court.
Hertel didn't want to have a probable cause hearing Tuesday, and the two sides will make sure of the proper way to do it. But the charges could be coming any day. In Jeffersonville, Travis Breeze, WHAS 11 on your side.